Quiet Little Dragon. And I picked that song today because the design that I'm doing is a food design, aka known as a mug design. So of course this is a part of my 35 for 35 designs, where I'm doing 35 designs within my 35th year of life. So please follow the hashtag 35 for 35 designs, so that way you can see the previous designs and the one I'm going to do today and any future designs. Okay, so in the video you saw that I picked up an apple in a mug, because I'm going to make a little apple dessert in a mug. And so, well, actually in the bowl. I'll explain it a little bit later. But so there's no history, so let's just get straight into the design. So this is a quick little cute dessert, apple dessert, that I'm gonna actually make in the microwave. So here we go. Okay, as you can see, you'll see all my ingredients are already out. Okay, this is called the Easy Microwave Apple Crisp in a Mug. It is from www.yellowbliss.road. Of course, I will post the link later for you all to see. But this is going to be quick. Now, I have a mug, but the mug I was going to use was very small. But then when I reread the directions, I was like, yeah, I can't use that. So I'm just going to, I got one of my white porcelain bowls. I love these. I use these all the time. They're perfect if you want to put something small in them. So I'm gonna put the final dish in here after I make it, of course. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. My recipe disappeared on me. Okay. Sorry, my screen was doing something a little funny. Okay, so there are two parts to this. It's the apple filling, and then there's the crisp top. So I'm going to start with the apple filling, then we'll go to the crisp top. Okay, so it says mix apple filling ingredients in a small bowl. So this is the small bowl, got a little spoon. So, okay, so the first is one apple peeled, sliced and thin. So I had that. Not gonna lie, I did this so early. The apples are starting to turn, you know. They're good apples, but you know, once the air hits it, they turn brown. But they're still fine. Trust me, I tasted them. Okay, so just throw these in this bowl. Okay, and now half tablespoon melted butter. I already measured this out. Put that in there. Get it all out. Sorry, and I hope you all can see what I'm trying to do. Okay. And 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Here it is. And then 1 teaspoon. I'm sorry. The brown sugar was 1 teaspoon brown sugar, and then this is 1 teaspoon flour. Okay, so now it's it's time to mix this on up. Okay, mix in. Make sure everything is mixed in. You see him mixing it. Wow, ooh, got some cinnamon that's trying to stay stuck on an apple. So make sure that doesn't stay. Okay. Okay, I think that seems good enough. Okay, so mix together the crisp ingredients and work in the butter with a fork. Okay, so I'm going to use this. So, what are the ingredients for the crisp? Let's see. So it's going to be, okay, so we're going to do the butter last. So 1 tablespoon flour. which I'll be back because I forgot to measure my second thing of flour. Hold, please. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna do a 1 tablespoon flour, and this is almond. By the way, I'm making this completely vegan because the butter is a vegan butter. So this is a vegan meal. Just do our tablespoon of butter. Okay. Move this back to the side. Ooh. Make sure I'm not blocking. 3 tablespoons fashion oats. I'm not gonna lie to you all. I realized I had everything but the oats. So just got some granola that had oats in it. You know, it's all made with the same stuff. So we're gonna use it. So I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, and 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Here we go. Oh, and now 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. No, apple and cinnamon are always a good combo. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix this. Now I'm gonna work in the butter. Now this butter is 2 tablespoons soft, not melted, because we want it to be a crisp. So we'll just break down this brown sugar, and then, sorry, that was the ad that popped up. Let's just turn this down just in case it's sound. Sorry, not sure what's happening there, but it's making a lot of noise. We don't like it. Okay. So what did I say? Working the butter with a fork. Okay, so here's our butter. Put this in. Again, this is 2 tablespoons. Put it in. Because again, we want it to be crisp on the top. Turn this handle around. Just trying to make sure that it mixed in really good. Okay, I think it's good. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Now, it's saying layer half the apples in a microwave safe bowl, mug, or ramekin. So, these are half the apples, which I still think that this is small, but we're going to try it anyway. Just kind of layer these in, so you all can see. Layer them as best you can. And try to peel these as thin as you can. I did my best. Like this one is really cold. The cinnamon is like stuck. Got stuck on that slice. Okay. Just gonna lay. Again, my layers are going to be a little bit different because of the size of the bowl. So, okay, we'll say that that's about half. Okay, so top with half of the crisp mixture. So now we'll take this. Top it is, mix it as good as you can and try to actually get it on the apple and not the bowl like I almost did. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay, that's the first layer. Okay, so add another layer of apples, then the remaining crisp. Okay. This is what's left. Oh, okay, maybe this is working out a little bit better than I thought in terms of the size. I thought it was going to be overflowing, but I think it'll be good. Okay. Oh my gosh, these apples smell so good. I love apples. I always keep a bag of apples. When you go into my refrigerator, you will always see a bag of apples or oranges. I absolutely love them. Okay. All right. Here's our. All right, and then this is the final crisp. Okay, now again, we'll just try and spread it as evenly as I can. Do the best you can. In my case, I probably won't get everything covered, but as long as we get enough. Okay, and that's it. Look at that. You see how pretty that is? Okay, I'm going to put it in the microwave and I will show you all the final product. All right, I'm back, everyone, and this is our, okay, it deflated a little bit, but this is our final product. It smells so good. I cannot wait to eat it. So again, this was quick. It only took 5 minutes to prepare and then 3 minutes in the oven. So total 8 minutes for this whole dish, and it's, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Now be careful when you take it out of the microwave because it's really hot. I actually let it sit for a second before I showed it to you all. So that's it. That was easy, quick, and you all can do this at home. Again, I'll post the website in the comment section so that way you all can go to this website and try it. And that's it. So you all